Hello! In this tutorial, I will introduce you to drawing arcs and circle-shaped perimeters in DesignBuilder, including convex and concave arcs, circular perimeters, and how to draw a dome. I will start the tutorial by showing you the model that I will be producing to help you visualize the process as we go through. The model is an odd shape, but the intention is to demonstrate the process of drawing the different types of arc and circular geometry, which takes precedence over architectural rigour in this context. Note that DesignBuilder includes glazing by default, but I have intentionally selected no glazing throughout the building for this example. I will now start to draw the model using the defaults, with the north wall perimeter line of 50 metres and the straight section of the east wall at 20 metres. To produce the convex radius on the southeast corner, I must first change the line type to arc and ensure the sweep angle is set to 90 degrees. I will leave the number of segments set to 10. I will also switch on increment snaps and set the increment to 1 metre. Moving back to the edit screen, I can now easily locate the arc with a 5 metre radius with a left click. I now change the line type back to straight line and draw the 5 metre straight section of the wall. To produce the 20 metres wide convex feature in the middle of the south facade, I change the line type back to arc and set the sweep angle to 180 degrees. Left click to confirm the radius at 10 metres, and then draw another 5 metre straight line. Now to produce the concave feature, I change the line type to arc and change the sweep angle to minus 180 degrees. Moving back to the edit screen, I can simply left click to confirm the radius at 5 metres. I then draw another 5 metres long straight line and complete the ground floor block by clicking back on the start point. I will now add a 20 metre diameter circular first floor directly above the central convex feature on the southern facade of the ground floor here. The Add Block tool is already selected. Set the perimeter shape to circle and keep the default number of segments to match the segments on the ground floor. Locate the centre point of this part of the block and left click to confirm. Move the cursor to the perimeter of the arc I just drew and confirm the perimeter of the first floor block by left clicking on the endpoint snap. You can see that the circular features on the ground and first floors are fully aligned. I will now complete the model by drawing the domed second floor. The Add Block tool is already selected, so I change the block form to dome. Again, retain the defaults, select the centre point of the first floor as the centre of the dome, and use the perimeter endpoint snap to define the dome radius. In drawing this odd-shaped building, we have covered the key principles involved with drawing arcs, circles, and domes. This finishes our quick review of drawing arcs, circles, and domes in DesignBuilder. If you want to learn more about the topics introduced in this tutorial, including top tips that will improve your modelling efficiency, then our Geometric Operations on Demand online training session further explores this and other geometric tools. We hope you found this tutorial useful. Further information on the specific topics and wider application areas can be found in the comprehensive DesignBuilder program help, other tutorials and webinars, and our on-demand training.